A very warm welcome to you, sir, and good morning.
Hello, good morning, madam. Good morning.
Myself, Jasleen Kaur, Assistant Professor in the Department of Pharmacology at Amar Shahid Baba Ajit Singh Juchar Singh Memorial College of Pharmacy, Bela. I feel truly honored to serve as the host for today's expert lecture and will be guiding you all throughout the session. As our institution proudly celebrates 51 years of its remarkable journey, today's expert lecture stands as yet another step in continuing our legacy of learning and growth. Before we begin, I would like to take a moment to introduce our esteemed institution, Amar Shahid Baba Ajit Singh Juchar Singh Memorial College of Pharmacy, Bela, one of the premier institutes in the northern region, established in 1993 by a non-profitable society in the sacred memory of Sahibzadas Ajit Singh Ji and Jujar Singh Ji, the brave sons of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, who sacrificed their lives at a young age. Over the past 3 decades, the Institute has achieved remarkable growth and offers a wide range of programs, including diploma, bachelor's, and master's in pharmacy, MSc in pharmaceutical chemistry and microbiology, and bachelor's in medical laboratory science. An autonomous institution affiliated with IK Gujral Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar, it is also a recognized PhD Research Center in Pharmaceutical Sciences. The college is accredited NB accredited, recognized under UGC 2F, ranked 57th in NIRF 2024, and proudly placed in the platinum category of the AICTE CII Industry Linkage Survey for the consecutive years 2018 and 2019. With great pleasure, I introduce today's expert speaker, Dr. Bandhu Chotale, who is a pharmaceutical chemistry professional with an MS Pharm in medicinal chemistry from Naipur, Mohali, and a PhD Tech from ICT Mumbai. Currently an assistant professor in MET Institute of Pharmacy degree Mumbai, he brings over 6 years of academic experience and prior industry exposure at Piramal, Ahmedabad. His expertise lies in molecular modeling, crystallization, and small molecule synthesis, with a strong research record of 8 international publications, 4 review articles, 2 books, and a granted design patent. He serves as a peer reviewer for the reputed journals including Journal of Drug Targeting, Nature Product Research, Journal of Biomolecular Structure and Dynamics, and Springer Nature. A passionate mentor, Dr. Chatale has guided students in innovative research, led 10 plus workshops and 2 FDPs, delivered 3 invited talks on AI in pharmaceutical sciences and taste perception through molecular modeling, and organized 15 professional training workshops with Anandeep Foundation and Springer Well Pharma Pvt. Ltd. His innovative anti-dandruff hair gel project won second runner-up at the third CIIA Innovation Award 2024. He has also been honored with Met Gaurav and Met Pragnavant Awards. As founder of Anandi Foundation and Springerwell Pharma Pvt. Ltd, he continues to advance research, innovation, and professional training in pharmaceutical sciences. We are truly delighted to have Dr. Bandhu Chatale with us today. On behalf of our college and everyone present here, I extend a very warm welcome to you, sir. And without further delay, I would like to invite you, sir, to kindly deliver your lecture on the topic Empowering Pharmacy Researchers with Artificial Intelligence.
Yeah, thank you, madam, for
Yes,
such a introduction. I would like to thank Dr. Sharma for inviting me for this lecture. So, without taking much time, I will share my screen. Yeah, I think my screen is visible.
yes, sir. Sir, screen is visible.
Yeah, is it perfect visible in large? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, thank you everyone for joining this lecture. On this lecture, I'm going to talk on a very useful topic, that is empowering pharmacy researchers with artificial intelligence. So I, Dr. Bandu Chatale, would like to give more brief about how we can use artificial intelligence for uh, better research productivity. Okay. So my mission is empowering pharmacy professionals for career super growth. So for empowering career, we can use artificial intelligence so tremendously. So let's understand what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence focuses on development of intelligence machines. So we are simulating the human intelligence in a machine, and we are using that machine for different purposes. So each and every sector is touched by artificial intelligence. You can check every sector. There is something advancement happening with reference to artificial intelligence, and there is no exception. Pharmaceutical field is no exception. So, artificial intelligence, which is simulated intelligence, are programmed and think and learn like human. And now there will be situation, there will be coming general artificial intelligence, which will the simulating all similar to human intelligence. So this is area is going to that state, and research is going, continuous research is going on for further advancement in the research. So let me understand and explain important history of artificial intelligence, guys. This birth of artificial intelligence, it start with 1942 1950, where this there was a program digital computer was invented in 1940, and which was a pivotal moment for in the era of artificial intelligence. Term artificial intelligence was coined at an international conference at Dartmouth, and that was formal beginning for research in the field of artificial intelligence. In the period of 1950 to 1970, there was a research focuses, and that research was solving the problems and a small development like playing chess and solve mathematical problems, where artificial uh, program was designed and used. In the era of 1980 to 2000, in this there is so much development in machine learning, where system can able to understand from the data, and this is tremendous development now. AI is all depend on uh, data. If there is no data, we cannot get result from AI. So we require depend on solely everyone. We require to depend on data. So if there is a perfect data, correct data, then we get perfect answer for your query. So we can predict answer from data by giving some particular prompt. So this is the beginning for artificial intelligence. So, but in era, you can see from 2010 to till date, there is so much advancement in the technology, like deep neural network, machine learning, deep learning, and this is totally changed this era of artificial intelligence, and we are using artificial intelligence so much tremendously in pharmacy now. So I will touch some field where artificial intelligence is used. Because of artificial intelligence, there is a entire reshape the drug discovery process and development, and we are get more efficient and cost effective solution because of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence could be used to in a virtual screening, where we can screen so many number of chemical entity for specific target, and we can use it we can use AI assisted molecular modeling, where we can use AI assisted molecular modeling tools, and that can be useful to predict the how drug interact with receptors. So in this way, we can use artificial intelligence to design, optimize new drug with enhanced efficacy and safety profile. And a more possibly a possible way, artificial intelligence can and could be used much more for predictive analytics, where you can use artificial intelligence model to analyze complex biological data and to predict its effectiveness, and ultimately you can use it to enhance drug discovery process with cost effective way. So you can see here, it is so much extensively used with in drug development. Okay, so here artificial neural network and do deep neural network principle has been used. So what are advantages? Why we should use artificial intelligence? There are some advantage of artificial intelligence for humans. Human make some human errors, and that can be avoided with the artificial intelligence. So we can minimize error using machines. This is one plus point where we can, or a plus point, AI making the less error as compared to human. Difficult exploration. You can conduct some difficult reaction, like runaway reaction can be used using robot, design robot specifically for carry out the reaction. So here we can use the artificial intelligence robot, and we can use any difficult, dangerous work can be done with robot. Digital assistants, guys. There are so many uh, program is designed where AI use as a our digital assistant. Repetitive tasks. Those things done repetitively, that task can be done well with artificial intelligence. And in this way, those things that are get repeatedly can be done without any break. So because as it is a machine not never take break, so we can use it as more efficiently than human. So this is some advantage to increase our technological growth over the period of time. So now, guys, I can explore AI can be used some in our research purposes. It cannot be used totally for writing research article because it is will be the total plagiarism, because we are copying everything and pasting there. So we cannot use AI for copy making the data entire article, but it can be used for generating new ideas. We can generate new research. We can ask some solution for our problems. Suppose we have some research problem, we can give prompt, correct prompt for the AI, and that can be useful. How it can be useful in the next couple of slide, or I will give hands-on demo in some next of slide. Okay. So in this way, in scientific writing, where we can use some particular point of time, we can use AI. Like we can use AI for checking grammars. We can make some grammatical mistakes, and that is not accepted by scientific community. Where we can use to check Grammarly, AI assisted Grammarly is a tool that is so much useful, and you can use that for checking your grammar in an article where you want to make correction. If you want to reframe any sentence, don't put your entire article on ChatGPT. But small content you can use for reframing it if you want to make more impressive, or like that way you give prompt accordingly. And but don't put your entire article on any AI based tool, because it will be the just you are losing your research data. So don't put your entire article on ChatGPT, but you can use it for some specific purposes. Okay. Even you can make use of if you have research and you are reading that research article, to making data summarization, to understand difficult content, you can make that data into simple way by giving some specific prompt that I will show you in a couple of minutes. Okay. And you will have some software that is useful to check plagiarism. Like there is a Turnitin which is giving the result for checking plagiarism. There are I authenticate is there, so with some store, some might have Turnitin. So where you can check the data, your research article for plagiarism. So Turnitin give the data that is made by AI. So you can check there whether any there plagiarism is there, similarity index is there, and that can be improved. And if is there content is created by AI, that can be checked with Turnitin. Okay, so you can use that some tools that is checking the plagiarism. So guys, you can use some point AI. So it is supporting you to understand the difficult concept in a simple way. And it is also useful to checking plagiarism. Okay, to originality checking. You can make a summary of your articles. You can useful make a citation. You can use for reference formatting. You can use AI tools that I will show you. So there are some tools that are useful to that tools that I will take hands on. Okay, so there are tools like AI assisted Grammarly.com is the tool that is useful to check Grammarly. Then rephrasing, there is Fuelboat is AI based tool that is useful. You can click here and you can check, see. Yeah, so you can check this tool where you can see how it is useful. So this is Quillbot is a AI based tool, and it is so much useful to paraphrasing your sentences. It is useful for checking grammar. It is useful to check plagiarism, and AI. It is also check AI detection. If there is content that created by AI that can be detected, and even it is helpful to make AI content in a humanized way. Okay, so in this way, it is Quillbot is one of the software which is AI based tool that is useful for checking the this one grammar. Okay, so guys, you can see in this way. This is something I will take some tools that is useful, like a Scholarly GPT. Scholarly GPT is the tool where you can it is a plugin of Chat GPT, and it is useful, which is enhance your research skill, and you will get 200 plus million research article with the chat Scholar GPT, and where you can plug in that Scholar GPT with your chat GPT with a GPT 5.1, and that is freely available. Okay, and you can use their paid version as well if you are using that extensively. So you can use this for any purposes, like if you want to summarize any research article, you download first that article and then you upload here, and you can summarize it to understand it, making this simple content, or creating new problem statement from already existing research articles. Such task can be done with this Scholar GPT. So in this way, so it is so much useful to for making your some work productive. Okay, but don't make use this GPT to make content. Okay, so creating content with that is, you should be make it with your own brain. Don't entirely use all data and make you from create data and make that article. It will be not to be used in that way. You have to improve. You have to use in a very systematic way. Then there is a tools like Copilot, which is a Microsoft product. I will show you how Copilot can be used. Copilot is a tool that is this is very competitive with the ChatGPT, and it has its own advantage. Copilot has some advantage, and creating. It is so much useful for creating. Suppose you have some data, you can attach any research article file with you. Suppose I have this data, just I will attach any data. You can you can useful to generate idea on your specific topic. Suppose you want to make research on diabetes, you can give prompt for basic prompt, and you can use that Copilot to generate different ideas to give some solution for your problem. So in this way, and you validate, cross validate with your human. Okay, so I will give some prompt, and you can get so many things with this Copilot. So I will just give one prompt. Give me best idea. Okay, what is the best thing of Microsoft Copilot? It generate best images. I will not go in detail for Microsoft Copilot. Even there is another computer for ChatGPT, that is a Microsoft Copilot. So I will just go with Microsoft Copilot, how it is useful. Microsoft Copilot is it's so useful to generate different content, because it is started with Google, and Google backing this Gemini. He started this. Okay, Gemini. So you can use it for creating some content from you have. Suppose I have this. Anything you can do with this one. Suppose you have any document. Suppose I will take one research article. Suppose I am taking this research article, and I will check whether no, I will not take this article. I will take any article that I have. I will take this question paper, and I will say, I will check. I have attached this question paper, semester question paper, and I will say, give me the you will don't use entirely rely on that answer for this, but you can take assistance of this AI tools. How you can take assistance? So you can say, give me COs for question number first, question second, and question 3. Suppose you want to make CO's course outcome for your question for semester question paper, where you can use it, and it with a level, with level, Bloom, Bloom's level, with a level from 1 to 5. So you will give this prompt, and it will immediately use attach file. You have to give correct prompt. Use attach the PDF. So what I have given, I have attached question paper, semester question paper, and I asked her to, I want to make COs for my question papers with a level for semester question paper. So how it is helpful? Just I want given prompt. Don't rely entirely on the answer. Also, you have to cross check it first. But it is going to reduce. It is improve your this one speed for work. So how it is useful? So I will from this question paper. This is question paper where I get each question. I get the level with COs. So if I got, you can check here. I get the level. You have to cross check whether it is rely with all your COs. But it is giving some accurate question. Maybe it making some mistake, so you have to correct it by your human touch. Don't rely 100% on this, but you can use it to create in such a small task where you can improve your productivity, improve your speed for work. Suppose you have so much network where you can use such a creating the COs and level for your question paper, where you can use it. Okay, so this is one task I have done with Gemini. You can check here. You can ask. Even you can ask for the answer for in a simple way. You can give me, but you don't rely on answer. You have to cross check with your human touch. But there is so much advancement. But it try to you give correct prompt. Give me answer for question number 3. I will check. I will give me answer for MCQ. Give me answer for MCQs. You are not going to rely on all, but you are going to cross check everything from your human touch, because it may make mistakes. So you check, but it is giving some answer for. You can check here. I have question paper. I have that I have attached. Even and where I get the answer for each question. But you don't rely. You check whether that your teacher is there. Your teacher. But check whether question is correct. So I got the for multiple choice question, I get the correct answer with this. But cross check from your knowledge, because you are human, you are far superior than the artificial tool. So don't rely 100% on this tool, but you can use it to improve, check your speed, improve your understanding. So in this way, I have one task where I have used AI for making the COs and level, and also I have used AI for the answering the some questions answer. But you have to cross check it with your human touch by your knowledge. Okay, I will not say use 100% and be blind and use it. So I will not recommend that one because it make mistake. If you give prompt wrong prompt, it give wrong answer. The thing is that. So you have to cross check with human touch. Okay. Next tool I will take it with perplexity. What is base advantage of perplexity? That it is giving citation. Suppose I have to work on topic research. Till date, my voice is clear. Madam, my voice is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear. Everything is clear.
Thank you so much. So I have a second tool that is a Perplexity AI tool. Here, suppose I want to make research basic, especially on the one specific topic where I want to make research. So AI give you citations with where data is okay. So I will give. I have to work make research. Suppose I want to make research on topic called uh, diabetes. So give me research article recently published on diabetes. Publish on yes. Okay, so I have given prompt that give me the recently published research articles on diabetes. Immediately it give with citation. Okay, I get everything. I have to take so many tools that is used how it is useful. So guys, I see it is thinking first. It is analyzing data. It is predicting data, and then we get answer. So see, it take 1 minute and it give the all recently published research article on diabetes because you want to make some advancement in the diabetes. Just I have taken this topic. So you want to read that article. You have to understand that article. So with summarizing that article, if you find some best article, then you can read it in a detailed way. So in this way, it giving you the in a less period of time some idea, clue, how you can improve your speed for research. Just it is loading. So till date, because I have asked for recent article, so it is going to take time. If I ask give me article on diabetes, immediately it give. But I have given some difficult prompt. I want recent article that is published on diabetes, so it is going to take time. Okay, similar. Okay, if we ask some difficult question to human also take time. So similar way, it is also taking time because that algorithm required to analyze all data available. Okay, and then after that data, all that process happen, then we get the answer. Okay, till date I will go with next tool. It is loading. Till date I will go with next tool. You know there is a research tool like I don't know how it is useful for research that I will discuss. I will do not. Guys, there are so many tools that is useful, and I am going to discuss with you how this is a specific tool is used for some specific purposes. Okay, so guys, I have taken perplexity where it is thinking it for our prompt, and I am going. Yeah, so I will note where you can use this article. You make your topic. Suppose your topic same that I have discussed. Diabetes is my topic, then I will upload one article that downloaded from the database. So suppose already I have made on this evidence note, I have made database. So you will have to upload all database here. I have already uploaded my database. I check library here. I have uploaded my all document, and then I can use to write literature review. We can write methodology for this topic, write discussion. So in this way it is useful. I don't know, it is useful to write even paper, but it is totally AI generated. So it you can make some idea making some framework for a research article. Don't entirely rely on this, but you can make some outline for articles, and that can be used for using it. That can be improved by your human touch. So this is where you can write para from attached data that you have to attach all data for your topic, and it give the everything. It give you idea. It give you the objective as per your prompt. So in this way, I will not work. Then I will note then research side. This is a similar software like the SciFinder. So this is one of the softwares you have to mix registration site.ai. It is a software you have to make registration. I have already made and I have extensively used it. So you have to log in, you have to register if you have not done site.ai, and you will have to put your mail ID. I have start with my Gmail with and check here. You can give your if you want to search same topic for diabetes. Yeah, you will get everything on diabetes. Yeah, it is you get 200 million article. The article that is available, everything you will get. So a site.ai is the working like SciFinder and it give all data available. Okay, so see here, I get all article available on diabetes immediately. So I can check right here. I have this. I got this article. Even I get all your detail. Who is author? What is year of publication? And I get suppose 100 article. Then I can change it with author wise. If I want specifically to research article from suppose your principal sir is published, Dr. Shailendra Sharma. So I will put the name of your name of Dr. Sharma, and then I will put I want a recent 5 year article of Dr. Shailendra Sharma. Then I will put year recent that is 20 to 25. Then section everything type and everything supporting data or whether it requires, and even I can ask from as per application. So in this way, Sci.ai is the advanced version where you will get everything like SciFinder. But it is one thing asking for subscription. It asking for subscription. But if you are extensively using, you can as a college you can take as a subscription for it. Okay, so there are you can get all you can get all citation statement for entire diabetes article. Everything you will get. Everything author-wise data you will get. Everything you will get with this. Suppose this one particular author, how many article published on this topic. It is very systematically we will get one site.ai. So you can use it for better literature search. You can improve your literature search speed. For making any research, you should have better literature search. To make best any idea, to go with the best research statement, to make any research statement or research to design new problem or anything to design new objective, you require a extensive literature search where you can use this site.ai. Now I will go. I have given one prompt for this. It is still thinking. I think there might be some problem. I will just check. I will make this. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, there was some problem. That's why it was taking some time. Yeah, but perplexity is the one base tool. It gives the citation that I am giving. I have given shown you this perplexity. What that I have given the give me some recent. I will say just give me article on diabetes. Immediately it will give. See, I will show you the wonder of this perplexity. It is one of the best software. Here, where you can see here, I got the recent article on the diabetes that I have given prompt, and even I get the where it that get. I get the even link where they have taken. You see, I have got this the link for where it is means it is citing the data that where the data retrieval happen. So this software giving you the exact link for that purpose. The article. See, they have retrieved this much data from this article. That's why they have retrieved this data. So they have given link for it. See, in this way, perplexity gives the citation. That's why it is a best and most accepted software this tool by the researchers. But you have to check everything cross check with your human touch. Don't rely 100% on the artificial intelligence. You have to give you are because you are far superior than artificial intelligence. It will take so much, maybe 10-20 years to get artificial intelligence, which is having same capacity with human, but it will take time. But now it is not same capacity as human. So we have to check everything cross check with a human touch. Okay. So guys, I get see I got even whether You can give the prompt as per your requirements. Suppose I get this research article, and you can say, give me the use above data, use above data, use above data, and give me you give me the research statement, research hypothesis, and research objective. You can refine it later, but it will give some crude idea, research objective, objective on about topic that we have search literature. Immediately you will get the research hypothesis on the data that we have seen. See, with a minute you will get a research hypothesis. So the attached research article, they have refer attached research article, and I got this research hypothesis. You can check here. I have received hypothesis. I will make it enlarge. You will see here. See, I have received the research hypothesis. Even I received the research objective. So in this way, Perplexity and even chat any other tool helpful you with some way. Don't rely 100% on it. You have to modify with your human touch. Then I will go with the next tool like DeepMind. So a DeepMind is developed by Google. Google DeepMind is the best version of the machine learning program where it designed the protein for your research study. You know that till date, if you want to make any research work on the any specific target, we require the target protein structure. So previously we was relying on the X-ray crystallographic structure image generated by X-ray crystallography, and for that purpose you will require to crystallize that protein, and that was difficult task, and it was take it that was taken so much time to create that crystallographic image. Okay, and if it is a crystal structure not feasible to then we was rely on minimal spectroscopic protein structure as well. But now there is new tool come with AI DeepMind developed by Google, Alpha Proteo, which is a AlphaFold technology, and we generate novel protein for biology and health research. This is where you can use AI system, that is DeepMind, to design protein. It is useful to design protein, and this has designed different protein, and this protein can be used to find interaction with your target molecule. So in this way, this is AlphaFold technology can be useful to design protein. Okay, so this is one tool, AlphaFold. It has some limitation that I will discuss with slide in a next couple of slide. Then next tool is there. There is a next tool is there. Humanize AI. How it is useful humanize AI? Suppose you have created some content with artificial intelligence, you can make it humanized, like human touch. So you can put any data. Suppose I have made this research objective hypothesis with this. I have made this research hypothesis recently, and I want to make this humanize. Suppose a research hypothesis I have made, I can convert it into humanize. Suppose it I have given, and I will say, give me the humanize. So it is 100% created by ChatGPT, and I will give the prompt that humanize. I will say humanize it. So it get rephrased and it is given human touch, and it is better to make humanize with our brain. But there is tool also available if you want to make humanize. But don't rely to even 100% on artificial tools. Just use it for some way where you have a confidence that there is not any error is there in the data, is there is not something wrong, because we are the researcher, and we are the pharmacy professionals, and we deals with the healthcare. So there should not be anything wrong should go in the scientific community. Okay, so we have to cross check with your humans. So okay, so it's just I'm giving how it can be used. I am not asking to use it, but you can use it some way very improvement happen. It can speed increase for your research. Okay, so it is making humanize. Okay, okay, so you can check here. It is making humanize. So it is humanize.ai.pro. It is a version where it is can be used. All these tool link I'm going to share with Dr. Shailendra Sharma, and he will share with you. So don't worry, I will send all link for all that tool that I have covered. So don't worry, that you will get all tools link, because I'm not sharing here all tools. I'm going to share with everyone. Okay. So in this way, guys, you are going to make that data into humanized way with using humanized AI. Then there are tool like you can check here is gamma.ai. This gamma.ai is useful to create a presentation with but don't rely 100% on making presentation with this. You can create your own. Just I'm making, I just using this tool, and how it can create. You have to, you require to just give the prompt, and it will give the presentation. It can also do same. Can also available with AI assisted Canva is there, which is we can plug in Canva with ChatGPT to create a presentation, and you can check. You can give the topic name here, create new, and you whether you want to generate a flyer, whether you want to generate PPT or anything. Gamma.app is so useful. You just require to give put title, and it will give presentation on that title. So suppose generate, if I say generate presentation on diabetes, okay. So just it will generate what I ask for presentation. Even it create the this one. It is creating the any web page. It is creating. It is creating document. It is even so many things it is doing. Just to generate it, and it is doing this one. So within a minute, it generate PPT. But don't rely 100% to create PPT. But you can modify all that PPT, and you have to check all content. This is very important thing. Whenever you are making it, you have to cross check it. So see, Gamma.ai can be used to generate PPT, but don't rely 100% on it. You have to cross check, cross modify, and edit by your human touch. So see, I got this presentation, and you can download it as well within a minute. So I have generated it, and download it, and I can use it for presentation purpose. So in this way, see, I have created this, and I can modify it as I require, as per my requirement. I can do this. Okay, so in this way, it is useful. Now next tool that I can, tom.app. It is similar to generate presentation. Then mark map. Now, guys, how mark map is useful to generate presentation, create impressive presentation that I will show to you people. How it is useful to generate presentation that I want to show you. So, you have some difficult complex data to make it in a systematic way. You can create, use mark a map. But to generate this data, you require code. You require code, but you are, as a pharmacist, you have not learned coding. Then how you create code? ChatGPT is even give you code. So suppose I want to create suppose I have this data. This is I have research objective that I have taken. So I want to make this data in the form of a, systematic way, because I want to present in my research presentation. So what I will do, I will go in ChatGPT, and I will ask for this hypothesis, code for this hypothesis. Give me code for mark map. So you have to put that data in the ChatGPT, and you have to ask for code. So I will ask, give me code for mark map. I want to create mark map. Give me code for mark map. Okay, I require the code for mark map. So I have taken this mark map. I will require code for create the impressive presentation. So I will give code for mark map. So I have given a code can be created for your content very well with ChatGPT. Create code creation done very well with ChatGPT. Just I am showing you. See, within a minute, I get code for this mark map. Just I received code for this. Give me code for mark map. Can you see here? It is creating code. Just I'm checking other code. So just give me code for micro. I have given I think wrong prompt. Just I will make code for mark map. Just I will require to check this. Yeah. I will check whether I have given correct design. You have to cross check everything whether this is done. Give me code for mark map. Just I will say give me code for mark map. Give me code for mark map. Give me code for mark map. Just I'm giving the mark map. Okay, give me code for mark map. Okay, mark map. Yeah, I have to give me code map for mark map to design PPT. Designing PPT. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I will get code. I have received within a minute code with ChatGPT. I have used this code for that content, and I will put this code here in the left side. I have pasted and I immediately research hypothesis is available here, guys. Can you see within a second I have created code with ChatGPT and I have used this data. I can download this data and I can use this in the form of see hypothesis. I have presented very systematic way with markmap. Can you check it? This I will show you. I can enlarge it and anything I can do with this markmap. So in the impressive presentation can be made with mark map. So I want to present specific data. Suppose I will enlarge this data now. Yeah, I have enlarged. So I have generated code with a chat GPT. Then I want to present the data in front of my research committee in the form of impressive way. So what is background? I want to discuss about background. So I will go with this. Then I want to go with core hypothesis. I will show in this. Then I want to why this work is important. And then how what are the key outcome expected and what will the study significance and what will be the final application in a clinical research. So I want to present that data very systematic way. I want to show not this data, only this data. Suppose I want to show only this application, clinical application. So I will click only on clinical application to show presentation. Suppose I want to not show this application. I want to show core hypothesis. I can show this with impressive way. So you have to create code with ChatGPT and use same code in a mark map where you can generate very impressive representation of any complex data in the form of a presentation. So in this way, you can use mark map to improve your presentation skill. Then there is a other tool like ideogram. Ideogram is the tool where it is create very impressive images for your any uh, as per your prompt. Suppose I want any image that is required, and it create very impressive images. Suppose you want to make any interactive image for your college, you want to make any impressive anything you want to make any impressive image, just you have to give prompt, it create image of that prompt. So you design your prompt in such a way that what you require and it create so impressive images with ideogram. So ideogram is useful to create images. Even you can create something that is make anything you want to make attractive images that can be designed very with you have to just give type text and it give image from text to image conversion is done very impressive way with this ideogram. Then guys you can have there are different list of tools that is useful to build your CV, to write your CV. These are some tools that I have enlisted. Then you can use tools like Notion to document management. Notion tools, like some tools is there that is useful to for document management. You can see I have this document management and I can make collaborative partner. My friend, just I have to share this with here, and I suppose I want to make Dr. Sharma as collaborative partner. I will add image and I will invite him to be a collaborative partner for my Notion document. So it is a very advanced version than Drive, Google Drive, and it is so much useful. It is you can send Notion mail, and you can create Notion calendar, Notion everything you can create with this Notion AI software. So in this way, Notion is one software. I have created different link for this AI. Now I can share it all with you people. I will make collaborative partner for this. Where suppose you understand any, you learn any new tool AI, then you can put here, because and in this way you can improve your data. You can make collaboration with learning purpose. So this in Notion document is so much useful. Then Notion is the one software. Then it is useful. So in this way, guys, you can see I have explained some tools how it is useful to this one. Now I will go on my slide. Just give me a second. I require to go on my slide. Yeah. So I will make this presentation. Yeah. No, no, I have downloaded actually. Just give me a second. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now I will share once again. I want to present my this slide. Okay. So my screen is visible once again. Can you show?
Yes, sir.
Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. It is not moving. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, I record to stop once again. Slide is not moving. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. I have to show this slide. That's why. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I will go with the just a minute. Just 1 minute. Not this. Yeah, give me 1 second. I just going over here. Yeah, this is my presentation. Just give me a second. Yeah, I have covered so many tools till date. Just I will go how it is can be used in further. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen once again. Yeah, yeah. I hope my screen is visible to you all.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible now.
Yeah. So in this way, AI can be used for drug discovery purpose, virtual screening, precision medicine, clinical trial optimization, and drug repurposing. AI can be most bestly used for drug repurposing purpose. So AI can help to identify existing drug for new therapeutic indication by analyzing large data available. Artificial intelligence is used now extensively used by pharma industry. It analyzed large-scale biomedical data to identify existing drugs that may be useful for new potential therapeutic potential different diseases. Okay. So in this way, AI can be extensively used for a new drug discovery process, and it is going to reduce the time, and it is going to predict absorption for drug, distribution for drug, metabolism, elimination, and toxicology. Toxicology, there are some AI-based tools that is useful to predict the toxicology. And it enhances patient care by you can improve patient outcome, satisfaction, and so many robot can be used to assist doctor, and in this way it is useful to in a healthcare settings. So there are some report generated with in a clinical settings. So for to AI can assist to find the any abnormalities found in that X-ray graph or MRIs or CT scan. So it is going to find the correct the things better. It is helpful to understand that X-ray graph very effectively with this So you can use AI in a diagnosis. It help to assist a radiologist detect the any abnormality in X-ray. So nowadays AI has a design in a search algorithm. It is helpful to design any thing that is happen in that X-ray or MRI scan images. It is useful to predict, assist doctor to foresee patient outcome, identify potential risk. It is helpful to arrange patient data, historical record. It also helpful to early warning and everything. It help to make the treatment uh, more patient compliance, get more patient compliance. Okay, so in this way, it is useful for in the drug discovery. It is useful in a. There are some tools that I am going to discuss here, like Lexicom, Medscape Interaction Checker. These are some AI-based tool, and that is useful in the drug interaction checking. You know, there are drug-drug interaction happen, and that these are some tools that is useful to understand drug-drug interactions. You know, in this way, AI going to is the collaborative partner. It is going to assist for it is support decision maker, and it is you can ask so many question and he give the answer. So he's work like your partner. Okay, so in a decision making. Okay, so in novel drug discovery it is helpful to enhance target identification, and it is also helpful in reinventing drug formulation. So in this way, this is using the deep learning technology, and which is the subset of machine learning that utilizes neural network with multiple layer to interpret complex data. So in this way, deep learning technology has so much application in drug discovery, in a drug interaction study, drug similarity interaction studies, drug sensitivity and responsiveness, and drug side effect prediction. So in this way, deep learning technique is so much useful for prediction the even side effect and adverse effect with that chemical entity. So in this way, this deep learning technology is so much useful researcher. So it is has so much importance in a daily research purposes. So in this way, guys, you can see here I have so many slide that is related with ethical use of AI. So how that I will see when the ChatGPT launched in November 30, 2022. That time there was ChatGPT version 3.5. Now we have ChatGPT 5. So there is so much advancement, and there is now it previous ChatGPT was giving so much anything. It was giving even privacy answer. That is the overcome now with ChatGPT 5. It is not giving any thing that is unethical. It is not giving any information that is not ethical. So it is they have made some program, design some codes, and they given the better answer than previous one. There was Clyde is also is one tool that is useful for research purposes, which is discovered by Anthropic. Bard is now it's Google Bard is now you know Gemini is the Bard is the old version of Gemini. So Bard get converted into now Gemini. It is launched by Google. So guys, that I have taken all these tools. Here is one video. You can check this. You can search AlphaFold in on Google, YouTube. You will get very nice video about how this technology is so useful. And they so this DeepMind have started this Alpha Proteo that is useful to design protein. So in this way, this is having some advantage and some disadvantage. Then you can see there are something, so many things. Microsoft Copilot already discussed. Perplexity I have discussed. Consist tool also very useful to you get 200 millions article, and you can organize it as per author, as per network, this whether is foreign author is there. So many things is there in Kansas. You can use that. There is elysite.com is there. It is analyzing research paper with a superhuman speed. So Elysite is streamlined research process by generating customized summary, and it abstract information from research article, and it is so much useful. Lits map is there. Litmap is very useful for literature review. It is a literature review software, litmap.com. Then LookCV, it is a one tool that is useful. It is make application for you for job. It is a AI powered AI job search tool. It is you have to make a subscription and it make application for you. Everything is automated. So www.lookcv.pro is the version. It is useful to make job search job application automatically using AI. So in this way, guys, you have some tools that is even create video from your text. So there are some tools that I have enlisted here that can use make some interactive videos for your research journey. So in this way, it is a very most widely used software. You can see here when ChatGPT launched within 5 days, there was 1 million user has downloaded it and started using. So such a impact of this AI based tool is nowadays in people. So there are million of people are using ChatGPT to gain knowledge. It is very potential tool and it is giving everything in a second. And people are using artificial intelligence for earning money as well. Okay. So there are some challenges as well, like the data privacy and security is there. This is some challenge with AI implementation, protecting sensitive patient data. They when you have problem like regulatory, there is no any regulatory rules till date. Government is designing some regulatory rules, but it is not it's very important to have some regulation. AI should be regulated, then only it will use effectively. Okay, so there should be regulation. Okay, so there are so many challenges with AI implementation. So which thing that AI not cannot do that I want to say, AI is good at generating text, code, other creative content, but it cannot match with human ability to come with original idea and concept. So creative job like graphic design, web design, uh, then writing cannot be done with this writing research article cannot be done with a AI. It can be done based with human solving problem solving. AI good at solving basic problem, but it cannot match human ability to think critically and creatively to solve a complex problem. So job like engineering research based done with the human touch only. Okay, and all research related jobs are safe from human. Safe. The- okay, empathy driven job. AI cannot understand respond to human emotion in the same way, human can. So, jobs that require empathy, such as customer service, social work, healthcare related jobs, are safe from AI automation. Ethics driven job. AI cannot make ethical judgment like a judge. It is as same as human. So, job may require ethical things like in law, journalism, or medicine, which such job that are very to AI automation. So such these are the job like creative job, problem solving job, empathy driven job, ethics driven job. They are and human touch is required. So this is one book I have written. That book is Artificial Intelligence in Pharmacy and Healthcare. This is second book. So this is one statement I want to discuss with you. You should learn something new every day. If you not going to learn, then you have there is a, you require to bear cost of ignorance. So if you learn everything, you will be get learning is directly proportional to earning. So this is one thing I have stated here. So in this way, I will stop here. Thank you so much. I have many more slide, but it will take more time. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Um, as we come to the end of the enlightening session, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Chatale sir for sharing his valuable time, expertise, and deep insights with us today. Sir beautifully explained the role of AI in drug discovery, in pharma industry, and the advantages of AI. And the most impactful part of the session was the way Sir practically demonstrated the use of AI tools, showing us how these platforms can support research writing, literature review, data extraction, content refinement. So, this hands on exposure truly help us understand how AI can be used not just theoretically but as real research assistants in our academic and professional journey. Thank you so much, sir, for delivering such an eye opening, empowering session. Thank you for your guidance. You truly inspired us to explore, adapt, and embrace AI as a powerful companion in the world of pharmaceutical sciences. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam. So, madam, thank you so much for giving us opportunity. I would like to thanks Dr. Sharma sir for inviting me on this platform. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Most welcome, sir.
thank you. Now I will take you. Thank you.